Hey there, you're with Brian Augustyn, kind of a big deal. I'm just going to talk to him a little bit about this awesome podcast that we've had going on for how many weeks now?
We just did our 5th show. Monday will be our 6th, and tomorrow the world.
Excellent. So tell me about the podcast, its intention, topics you cover.
I guess mostly at center it's about me getting more attention because, I like attention. It started out to be an in-store discussion group, and then it grew into this video podcast thing almost by accident, thanks to the great guys at Gotham City Comics and Coffee in Mesa on Main Street. And now suddenly I have a talk show.
So what do you guys talk about?
Well, we talk about comics mostly. We talk about, usually in an irreverent way, the current stuff. We talk about, we've talked about everything from our first comic to why we love comics to what we think the future of comics is, to what the companies are up to, whether we like it or don't like it, superhero movies in general, television.
Excellent. And where can we find this podcast? Where can we access it?
Well, it is a YouTube podcast. The name of the show is The Comic Book Insider, and a search on The Comic Book Insider on YouTube will bring you to our 5 shows. We're shooting number 6 on Monday.
Excellent.
So we get an edited version up about a week after. But we're just having a lot of fun. We're building stuff. We're getting audiences. We have a live audience every week, and their energy is what keeps us looking good and having fun.
Now, I've always kind of wanted to ask you this because obviously, Brian, we all know that you're kind of a big deal. I won't, go into all the different things you've done. Obviously, editor DC, lots of different big deal kinds of things. But what I want to ask you, what I guess inspires me about you, is that you're still so involved in the community.
Everybody in the community is my inspiration, to be honest. We moved here just slightly about a year and a half, and we were living in the East. I'm originally from Chicago, and we said, we're done with winter. But I lived right there on top of the comics community in the New York area, and I never met as much vibrant stuff happening as is happening here in the Valley. This is a tremendous fan community, and I want to support that because their energy is lifting me up.
Thank you so much for taking time to chat with us.
Thank you for asking.
Where are we going to see you next time, actually?
Well,
where are you going to be set up next?
Other than the podcast, let me see. What have I got coming? No cons in the immediate future, but I will be a featured guest at the Phoenix Comic-Con.